If you enjoy DIYs, decorating, decor, tablescapes, cooking, the whole lifestyle, then you've reached the right channel. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Now in today's video, I will be participating in the Fall into Fall with a DIY collab hosted by Glam Queen of DIY and Creatively Miss Me. I'll have the links to both their channels along with the playlist in my description box below. So without further ado, please enjoy the video.
I'll show you one more time what I'm doing. Putting a nice little dollop of hot glue on the top. And then I'm taking our jute twine, and I will link this. I got this on Amazon and I will link it down below. Leaving a little tail, and then I'm making a loop on the top and pushing that down into the hot glue. I'll add a little bit more, make sure that's secure, and then I'll just continue going all the way around and pushing it down into our hot glue. Add a little more. Just continue. Be careful because the glue is hot. See, I just burned myself. And continue winding that around our little Easter eggs that we are then turning into acorns. Pushing it right down into that hot glue. And adding a little bit as I go around underneath. And when you get about halfway, go and add a nice dollop of glue at the end and push the edge of your rope down into that and hold for a second and let that set up. And then I'll take a nice little dollop, put it at the top, and push our little stem down into that and hold it for a second. And as you can see, I've worked on quite a few. I still have a few more to work on.